All right, hi boys and girls. So there's another tool that's a part of Google Classroom that I want to show you, and it's called Calendar. To access your calendar, you're going to click on these three stacked lines in the upper left-hand corner of your screen, and then you're going to go to Calendar where it has a little icon of a calendar and it says Calendar. Once you click that, it will pop you over into this screen. So this screen, the calendar shows you everything that is due for the week. And as you can see, it is on a Sunday to Saturday schedule. So you can see all of the assignments that are due every day that week. You can also click on these assignments, click on those squares, and it will take you to the assignment like this. It will pop up on your side the question first, and then you'll be able to type in your answers and everything like that. Also in the calendar, let me switch this back. You can go backwards in time if you use this left pointing arrow. You can go back to last week and see the assignments that are due. You could also go forward in time and see what assignments are due the following week or even the week after that. This icon right here where I'm hovering over with the little icon symbol is, if you click that, it will bring you back to today's date, to today's current calendar right here. So today is Wednesday the 15th, so it's going to have that highlighted for you to let you know that these are the assignments that are due today. One thing I do want you to know, I have all of our assignments due on Sundays. I do that for you guys, so maybe you need a little bit of extra time to get your work done. But I do also want to say, I will not be answering questions on Saturday or Sunday. So you might want to make sure that you get most of your work done by Friday, because I will not be answering questions on Saturday or Sunday. The Saturday or Sunday due date is just if you need that extra time. I am available for questions from Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Again, I am available for questions from Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can do this through email, through Google Classroom, through ClassDojo. Your parents also have a number that they may call if they need additional help and want to speak with me directly. So those are all the ways that you guys can get a hold of me. So I hope this helps, and I hope this calendar might be useful for some of you to keep our assignments organized and help you be able to better manage your time. All right, hope this helps. Bye.